Dance floor emergency. 32 counts, 4 walls, improvement level. Weight on the left. Section 1. Rocking chair. Forward rock, back rock. Jazz box quarter turn. Cross, back, side, cross. Facing 3. Section 2. Side hold, together side, touch. Rolling wine. Quarter, half, quarter, touch. Section 3. 2 Dorothy steps. Right diagonal lock step. Left diagonal lock step. Rock, recover, quarter point. Now facing 6. Section 4. 3/4 turn. Quarter forward, half back, facing 9. Left coaster step. 2 heel struts. Right heel, drop. Left heel, drop. And start again. You can do robotic arm on the heel drops. I'll show you here. Right heel, 2 hands on opposite shoulder. Heel down on each side. Left heel strut. Right arm up. Drop, left arm up. Your palm always facing inside. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 3 and wall 9. 16 counts, restart. Wall 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. Wall 12 is the last wall. You will finish naturally to 12 with 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop your head and hold the robot arms.